Welcome to Love 888, a space where we explore the deeper truths of love, intimacy, and emotional connection between two souls. If you're someone who wants to truly understand women, build a more fulfilling emotional life, and nurture harmony in your relationship, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a moment with us. Today we're diving into a topic that's real, personal, and incredibly important in any romantic relationship. How can a man truly satisfy a woman in bed? Here's something not everyone says out loud: women desire intimacy too, sometimes even more intensely than men. But unlike men, they don't always express it openly. So the real question is, do men truly understand what it takes to help a woman feel deeply fulfilled? Too often, men focus only on the physical, on technique and performance, forgetting that for women, it's emotion that sparks desire. In today's video, Love 888 will walk you through 5 simple yet powerful steps that can help you connect not just with her body, but with her heart. Step 1. Start with a meaningful, intentional foreplay. This isn't just a warm-up. Foreplay is an art. It's where emotions awaken, where connection begins long before your bodies ever touch. When a woman is touched with tenderness, care, and genuine appreciation, her body responds naturally, not just physically but emotionally. Softness and arousal aren't the goal. They're signs that her heart is opening, that she feels safe and desired. This is your moment to show her you're not in a rush, that you're here not just for yourself but for both of you, that you want to connect, to feel, to melt into the moment together. Don't rely only on your hands. Use your eyes, your lips, even your breath. Every gesture can be a wordless whisper of longing, and when you do it right, she won't just respond with her body, she'll meet you with her heart. Step 2. Take your time when entering her. Even if she's fully ready, the most powerful thing you can do in this moment is to slow yourself down. Don't rush the climax of emotion right from the start. Hold back. Be present. Think of penetration like playing a love song. Every note should be released with care, with reverence, with passion. That slowness isn't just technique. It's emotional intelligence. It shows that you see her, feel her, and respect her rhythm. Give the first 2 minutes to nothing but tenderness. Let your bodies merge gently, slowly. As you enter her with intention and softness, you're giving her space to fully open. Not just physically, but emotionally. That's when true intimacy happens. Not just a meeting of bodies, but a melting of two souls. Step 3. Know when to be gentle and when to lead. Women love gentleness, but they also crave your strength. Romance makes her melt, but it's your masculine presence that leaves a lasting imprint. When you learn to weave softness with certainty, when your touches are full of emotion and your movements full of confidence, you're not just having sex. You're creating an experience, one she'll want to return to again and again. Face-to-face positions deepen emotional connection. In those moments, eye contact and shared smiles become a language of their own. But when you both face the same direction, you take the lead. And sometimes that shift awakens something thrilling inside her. Watch her face, her eyes, her breath. These subtle signals will guide you. They'll tell you when to cradle her gently, and when to take charge with grounded presence. And when you respond to her like this, you won't just be inside her body. You'll be deep inside her heart. Step 4. Communicate and truly listen. There's no one-size-fits-all formula for women. Each woman is her own world with desires, emotions, and boundaries that vary widely. Some women crave softness, while others are drawn to something bolder. Some find their bliss in a familiar position, while others need change to keep the spark alive. That's why communication isn't just important. It's essential. Gently, sincerely ask her, "How do you feel? Is there anything you'd like to change?" Don't be afraid to ask. By asking, you're not just showing care. You're giving her the safety to be herself. And when a woman feels safe enough to express what she truly wants, you're doing it right. Listening to her isn't about pleasing her. It's about understanding her. And that understanding is what deepens every connection like never before. Step 5. Compliment her with your eyes, your voice, and your heart. Women connect emotionally, and sometimes just a whisper can make them melt. When you're in bed, don't let your body do all the talking. Let your words elevate the magic of every intimate moment. Tell her how irresistible she is, how you can't take your eyes off her curves, how she drives you wild in a way only she can. These compliments don't need to be grand, they just need to be genuine. She needs to know that you desire her, and that you're happy just being with her. And the most important thing, don't fall silent when it's all over. A hug, a kiss, a whispered "you were amazing." That might be all she needs to feel valued, worthy, and loved. Because sometimes what keeps her coming back isn't the passion in the moment, but the feeling she leaves in your heart after. In conclusion, making a woman truly happy in bed isn't complicated. You don't need supernatural techniques. Just 5 simple steps, done with sincerity and heart. Because emotional connection is the foundation of all physical pleasure. When you touch her soul, her body will naturally open up to you. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to subscribe to the Love 888 channel. We're here to journey with you in understanding, loving, and nurturing deeper, more fulfilling relationships every day. See you in the next video, where love isn't just spoken, but felt with every heartbeat.